Now that we have learned the basics of JavaScript, what syntax is and some of the syntax rules, we can start with the fun part. Today we will be learning about numbers and strings in JavaScript. Numbers in JavaScript are mostly used for math. So let's dive right in. Open your browser console and follow along. To perform basic mathematical operations in JavaScript, you use the following symbols. To add numbers, you use the plus sign. To subtract numbers, you use the minus sign. To multiply numbers, you use the asterisk sign. To divide numbers, you use the forward slash. For instance, if you type 2 plus 2, you'll get 4 just like in math class. JavaScript supports all standard mathematical operations. Just like in mathematics, operations in JavaScript are done using operators. For example, in 2 plus 2, the plus sign is the operator. Now let's talk about the order of operations in JavaScript. It's the same as what we learned in school. Parentheses always have priority. There are no parentheses. The priority switches to multiplications and divisions. Finally, addition and subtraction have the lowest priority. So for an operation like 3 times open parentheses, 2 plus 2 close parentheses minus 2, we first calculate 2 plus 2 inside the parentheses. Then we multiply the result by 3. And finally, we subtract 2. When it comes to writing numbers and math in JavaScript, there are no specific rules. You write it out just like normal math. Now let's shift our focus to strings. A string represents text in JavaScript. To create a string, all you need to do is write some text and surround it with single quotes at the start and at the end. But what's even more interesting is what you can do with strings. In your browser console, type as this is plus as text and you'll get this is text. When you add 2 strings, they combine into one larger string. This process of combining strings is called concatenation. Concatenation is when you join strings together. Now here's a question for you. Can you add a string and a number together in JavaScript? Yes, you can. If you add, for instance, a say plus 5, you'll get say 5. What happens here is that the number gets automatically converted into a string, and the 2 strings are then added together. This is called automatic type conversion. So there you have it. We've covered the basics of numbers and strings in JavaScript. JavaScript is a powerful language with a wide range of applications. Keep exploring. Stay tuned for more JavaScript tutorials, and happy coding!